Hello guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a login page on Google Sites. We will go through a step-by-step guide. Every step is important for creating a perfect login page. So, don't skip this video, watch till the end, and without wasting much time, let's dive right in. First, we need to create a new page as login page. For creating a new page, you need to go to the page section, click here, and down right here you will find a plus icon. Click on new page and name this page. You can name anything. You can name join us or member page or registration page, anything you want. I'm going to name this as join us. You can adjust its size and position here. Also, you can select the text size and the color of the text. You can edit each and every part of this page. Now here we need to add a login form that will work for us. For that, we need to go to authpro.com. Then you need to sign up on the site. Click on sign up now, and here you can choose I want to try free account and I want to sign up for deluxe account. If you want to use free account, then choose the first one. Then I want to use setup wizard to configure my account. Now this is the most recommended. Now continue, and here you need to enter a username, then password. Then you need to confirm the password you have entered, then your name, your email, then website title and website URL, and select the language. These red stars are mandatory sections, but website title and website URL is not mandatory. You can add this or not. Then where did you hear about AuthPro? You can type anything like social media, about any source. Like I'm going to select social media. You can select, or you can type YouTube or Facebook or Twitter. Just say it like social media. Then you just need to click on this create account button. After providing those required information, you will be redirected to this type of page, which are saying like AuthPro account created. That means your account is now successfully created. Now you just need to proceed a setup wizard. For this, click on this button. Now you have to select one option among some multiple option according to your needs. Just like if you want members to register for free and access your members area, then select the first one, and the second one is for I want members to register for free and access my members area when they verify their email. That's mean second one will allow you to add a email verification process. Also, there is 3 more options available here, like I want to manually verify members before they can access my membership area. For just like the approval process, they will send a approval request and you will check it manually. Then if it's compatible, then you can just approve the request and give them the access of your membership area. Then if you want that members to pay get access to my members area, this registration process is for those websites who offers subscriptions or the paid membership. That means the traffic should buy the subscription or the product, digital product, then they will get the membership areas access. The last one is I will issue login or password for members manually, no self-registration allowed. That means you will send the username and password through their email. That's the 5 option. I will select the second on, that I want the traffic to verify their email. Now you can customize the registration or login form. You can edit the name of this each of blank. Here you can see 5 blanks is available. One is for name, another is for email, then username, password and verify password. For instruct the traffic that the which blank are mandatory, you can select this required button. If you toggle off this button, that's mean this blank is not mandatory. Like if anyone don't want to put the information in this, then they are allowed to do this. And if it's on, that's mean the blank is mandatory, so the traffic must need to fill up this blank. And beside of this, the editable option is available. That's mean you can choose which blank can be edited or which not. Now you can also add another new field. Just click on this add new field, then you can add field title and field name, then field type. You can select minimum characters and maximum characters. Then error message, it's optional. Then you can just click on add button to add this field or blank on your form. You can also arrange these blanks according to your needs. Then you can manage the each and every blanks, every field's settings. You can change it anytime, but before confirming the form or copying the link of this form. Now you can just change it and click on this update button to update the settings for the blank. Now click on next for the next process. Now we have to configure URL. For here we need to add our page URL. For sake of this video, we are using this page as our membership page, but you need to add another dedicated membership page where the member can find the exact thing you are want to give them. But first we need to publish them. For this, at the top right corner you will find the publish button. Click on it, then your page will be published. Now here you need to add a web address if you don't add it yet. As you can see, my page is now successfully published. Now copy this link and paste here your member area URL. Then you can add a URL for failed login URL. You can make a page for failed login, then copy the link and paste here. Also you can create a protected page authorization failed URL. It's optional, but all rest of these blanks are recorded information, recorded URLs are optional. And this protected page authorization failed URLs mean member will be sent there if they try to access protected page without logging in. You may leave it empty and we will use failed login URL above. That's mean whoever trying to enter your membership page without any logging details, or then they will show the protected page for them, that they need to enter the proper details or suggest them register for a new account. Then the logout URL, when a member logged out from their account, then which page you want to show, you can enter the page URL here. Now just like it says, members will be sent there if they click logout link. You may leave it empty and we will use failed login URL. That's mean if you left this empty, this will that's mean if you leave this blank empty, then they will redirect traffic to the failed page. This could be a bad experience for users. So we need to fill up this blank with a URL, and I want when my user logged out from the account, they will redirect it to the home page. So I'm going to my home page. Now I need to copy the link of the publisher website, of course the publisher website, not from the Google sites. Then you can add any page here. any page you want, then select first one. If you want to display your own website address for members area, and if you want to hide the members area URL, you can select just second one. Now click on next button. Then you can enter some users details. If you have any users on your website or their details, then you can add their username, the password or email. For testing, I'm just entering a demo username, password and my email. Then click on next button, and we're close to add a login form. We just need to copy this link, that add login form. This link is for, and now select this link and copy this, then go to Google Sites. Then in this insert option you will find embed. Click on it, and here you need to stay at by URL, and here you need to paste the URL, and you can see a demo of the login page here, and click on insert to add this login form in your page. You also can adjust the size and position in this page. I'm going to adjust a little bit and position it at the middle of this page. Now this is our login form in our login page. Now it is now completely a login page, so I'm going to click on this publish, and let's check if it's added or not. But first we need to confirm the changes. We can check this, and if it's okay, then click on publish button again. Now it is published successfully. Let's see if it's added on our live page or not. Now I'm going to get home and click on join us, and just a simple refresh. Here you can see I have successfully added a login form in my login page, and this is kind of login page, but you can customize it in advance in so much details. But for sake of this video, I'm just showing you that how you can add a login page on your Google Sites. And from here, just here, click here to register. When someone click on here, they will redirect it to a registration page. This is the registration page. You can just copy it and you can embed it, just I have done for this login from earlier in this video. And we can add password reminder. Simple. For adding this feature, you just need to copy this link and embed with the login page. Remember, you have to embed this URL login page, but this is important steps. Protect your members area pages. This is a recommended, and you just need to copy this code. In order to protect your pages from unauthorized access, you need to paste code below to all your pages which you want to be accessible by registered members only. That means you need to copy this link and just embed, and click on this embed code just here, and click on this embed code, and here you just need to paste this code. But this is not for the login page, this is for the membership pages that the member will access, for where they will find the resource, or where you are store the resources or the assets for the members, for the registered members who are allowed to experience it. By this you can prevent those who are trying to getting the access of your membership pages without registration. Now from here you just need to click on proceed to account manager, where you can control the members. You can see the overview of active members and total members. Now as you can see earlier in this video, I have entered a demo account. For this it's showing me one user. Let's test this form. Now here I'm entering the username admin and the password, that's the admin2. Now I can click on this remember me for the further login. Now click on enter. As you can see, I have entered the right credential and it is now redirected to my expected pages, just like I have added this same page as the membership page in you can see earlier in this video. So that's mean this form is working perfectly. You also can add another login page or form by clicking on the setup wizard again and repeat the same process but customize according to your needs. And there you have it. Follow these steps properly to make a better login page on your Google Sites. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon, and we will get back to you soon with another video. And yeah, if you have any confusion or question left yet, then you can just simply drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till the next time.